Welcome, friend. Today we continue to talk about the key advantages of installing home energy storage solutions. Home energy storage solutions, such as batteries and other energy storage systems, offer numerous benefits for homeowners. These innovative technologies are revolutionizing the way we consume and manage energy, providing homeowners with greater control, efficiency, and sustainability. Home energy storage systems can participate in demand response programs and provide support to the grid. During peak demand periods, stored energy can be discharged back into the grid, helping to stabilize the electricity supply and mitigate the need for additional power plants. This grid support feature promotes a more efficient and balanced energy infrastructure. Following are the top 5 key advantages we have covered in earlier videos. Thanks for watching.